Hello guys, so again welcome to our channel Commerce 247. So today in this lecture we begin with the calculation of goodwill from the super profit method. Super profit method. As it is already discussed, what is super profit method, how we calculate the goodwill. If you do not know the formula, kindly go through the basic video of the goodwill. In simple language we will revise it here. How we calculate goodwill from the super profit method? Goodwill is equal to super profit into number of year purchase. For super profit, we are having average profit minus normal profit, and for normal profit, we are having capital employed into rate upon 100. So moving forward towards the question related to the super profit method. So the first question as displayed on your screen is a firm earned a profit of 80,000, 1 lakh, 1 lakh 20 and 1 lakh 80,000 during the 4 years. तो कितने का प्रॉफिट दे रखा है? क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 प्रॉफिट इज 80,000, 1 lakh, 1 lakh 20,000 and 1 lakh 80,000 during the year 10 11 11 12 12 13 and 13 14. So these are the profit for the 4 years. The firm has the capital investment of rupees 5 lakh. Capital is given to us, that is rupees 5 lakh. Now what happens? A firm rate of return on investment is 15%. Rate of return is 15%. We have to calculate the goodwill on the basis of 3-year purchase of average super profit of the last 4 years. So remember this. Number of year purchases 3. Now the most confusing part for the student is we have to calculate the goodwill on the basis of एवरेज सुपर प्रॉफिट. तो बच्चा कंफ्यूज हो जाता है एवरेज प्रॉफिट से निकालनी है या सुपर प्रॉफिट से निकालनी. एज द क्वेश्चन शोज एवरेज सुपर प्रॉफिट. सो at this time whenever average super profit is written, this means super profit. So we will go for the super profit method. So in the super profit method, first of all we have to calculate the normal profit, then super profit, then ultimately the goodwill. So moving forward towards the solution. So we are having capital employed 5 lakh. So normal profit is equal to capital into rate upon 100. Capital into rate upon 100. Capital is rupees 5 lakh. Rate is 15%. 0 0 0 0 cancel. 15 5 is 75,000 is our normal profit. So moving forward towards the super profit. For super profit we have to calculate the average profit first. So average profit is, we already know how to calculate the average profit. In the last 2 videos we already discussed regarding the calculation of average profit. So how we calculated? Average profit is equal to the total profit upon number of years. टोटल प्रॉफिट कितना था हमारे पास 80,000 प्लस 1 लाख प्लस 1 लाख 20 प्लस 1 लाख 80. 80,000 प्लस 1 लाख प्लस 1 लाख 20 प्लस 1 लाख 80. नंबर ऑफ ईयर this time 1 2 3 4. It becomes 1 lakh 2 lakh 3 lakh 4 lakh 4 lakh 80,000 divided by 4. 4 1 4, 4 2 8, that is 1 lakh 20,000. This is the average profit. Now moving forward for the super profit. For super profit we are having average minus normal. Super profit is average minus normal. So super profit is equal to average profit minus normal profit. Super profit is 1 lakh 20,000. Average is 1 lakh 20. Normal is 75,000. So super profit is basically the difference. Super profit is 20 and 25, that is 45,000. Minus कर लेंगे 45,000. Now number of year purchase is already given 3. So we know the formula of goodwill. Goodwill is equal to super profit into number of year purchase. Goodwill is equal to super profit into number of year purchase. So super profit is 45,000. Number of year purchase is 3. So goodwill is equal to 45,000 into 3, 0, 0, 0, 5, 3 is 50. 1 carry, 4, 3 is 12 and 1. 1,35,000 is the answer. Remember this. The answer will be different from the average profit and the super profit method. So first of all, go through the question properly, read it properly, what is to be asked in the question, then only solve it. So this is the answer for the first question. Moving towards the second question. Question number 2 for the day is, capital invested in a firm is rupees 3 lakh. Capital is rupees 3 lakh. Now, normal rate of return is 10%. Rate is 10%. Rate is 10%. Average profit of the firm are 41,000. Average profit are 41,000 after an abnormal loss of 2,000. Abnormal loss of 2,000. We already discussed it. What is abnormal loss and what is the accounting treatment of this abnormal loss? The abnormal losses का treatment क्या होता है? Abnormal losses हमेशा average profit में add हो जाते हैं. तो इसको क्या करेंगे हम? Add करेंगे. Calculate goodwill 4 times the super profit. तो goodwill क्या है? Goodwill is 4 times the super profit. Super profit into 4. Now moving towards solution. First of all, we have to calculate the normal profit. Normal profit is capital into rate upon 100. So capital is 3 lakh. Rate is 10%. This becomes 30,000. Normal profit is 30,000. Now average profit. Average profit is 41,000 after the abnormal loss of 2,000. The abnormal losses वो losses थे जो बिजनेस की गलती से नहीं हुए, तो इन losses को वापस से added back किया जाता है. Average profit is equal to 41,000 plus 2,000. It becomes 43,000. Now time for the super profit. Super profit is average profit minus normal profit. Average is 43, normal is 30. 43 minus 30, it becomes 13,000. So 13,000 is the super profit. Now, goodwill. It is mentioned in the question, the goodwill is 4 times the super profit. Goodwill क्या है? Super profit into 4. So for here, goodwill is equal to super profit into 4. Super profit is already 13,000 into 4. 4 0 0 0 4 3 is 12. 4 1 is 4 and 5 52,000 is the goodwill. So this is the answer for the second question. These are the small questions. Do not focus on the number of questions. Try to give your maximum. एक जितना ज्यादा कर लोगे उतना बेटर होगा, क्योंकि आने वाले चैप्टर्स में लेंथी क्वेश्चंस है. एक दिन में हम दो क्वेश्चंस ही कर पाएंगे एक वीडियो में. ठीक, तो जितना मैक्सिमम हम कवर कर सकते हैं अभी छोटे छोटे क्वेश्चंस को लेके उतना करते हैं. मूविंग टुवर्ड्स द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ दिस or note it down. So the third question is, the average net profit expected in the future ABC firm is rupees 1 lakh. So the average net profit, that is average profit, is 1 lakh. Average profit is 1 lakh. Now the average capital employed in the business is 5 lakh. Capital is 5 lakh. Now the rate of return expected on the capital invested in this class of business is 15%. Rate is 15%. The remuneration of the partners is estimated to be 10,000 per annum. Remuneration of partner. पार्टनर को दिए जाने वाला remuneration. Remuneration means salary or any type of incentives given to the partner. Remuneration to the partner is 10,000 per annum. Now what is important here? We already know remuneration is normal loss. Normal loss है इसलिए वो क्या होता है एवरेज प्रॉफिट से माइनस. लेकिन क्वेश्चन क्या करता है कई बार लैंग्वेज चेंज. In this time it is mentioned remuneration of the partners is 10,000. तो हमें क्लियर कट पता है कि 10,000 सारे पार्टनर्स से क्या है रेमुनरेशन. अगर वो कह देता है रेमुनरेशन ऑफ ईच पार्टनर इज 10,000 तो हमें मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ता है जितने पार्टनर्स हो. Now find the value of goodwill on the basis of 2-year purchase of super profit. So we have to calculate the goodwill. Goodwill is कितने ईयर पे परचेज करनी है. Number of year purchases equal to 2. Now for the solution, first of all we have to calculate the normal profit. Normal profit is equal to capital into rate upon 100. Capital is already given to us, that is rupees 5 lakh. 5 lakh into 15 upon 100. 5 lakh into 15 upon 100 cancel out करेंगे. This is 75,000. What is this? This is our normal profit. Now average profit. Average profit is given to us rupees 1 lakh, but there is one remuneration, that is 10,000 per annum. Average profit is equal to 1 lakh minus 10,000 is equal to 90,000. So the average profit is 90,000. Now we have to calculate the super profit. Super profit is average profit minus normal profit. For average profit we are having 90,000. For normal profit we are having 75,000. Minus करते हैं 90 minus 75, it becomes 15,000 is the super profit. Now for the goodwill, number of year purchase is already given. Goodwill is equal to super profit into number of year purchase. Super profit is given 15,000, number of year purchase is already given 2, therefore the goodwill is equal to 30,000. So these are the 3 questions related to the super profit method. Try to solve maximum questions by your own. If you are facing any problem related to these questions, kindly comment us or give your question in the WhatsApp number also. We are trying to solve it. Thank you. If you like the video, kindly subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.